Hello guys, this is like my first time actually talking to you, but I'm actually on the go, so I'm going to see you guys in the next location for the intro. I know, why would you start the intro now if you're about to go to another location? But I just want to all right, and I'm back. I told you guys I'll be back. Why doubt me? I'm back. All right, what's up? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kendra. My artist name is Kensecrets, and that's the artist in me. So I'm actually happy that I have an excuse to see you again. So yeah, this is the braid out. As you see the video, I will be telling you how it's small to medium sized braids. We're still in quarantine, so the parts do not matter, and I actually like a little volume, so it's not to the roots. I did go ahead and center off the middle part. That line is neat because that's how I wear my braid out, so that's how I did it. So I can have this intro. Ooh, look. Thumbnail. Her picture. But the items that you'll need: a detangling brush, hair scissors. You'll need, let's see, yes, a rat tooth comb, the curl enhancing smoothie, and the gel souffle by Shea Moisture. This is mainly water with a little bit of the owl spray in it. We have the Be Curly Enhancer, my oil mixture, which is just with the avocado oil and the wild growth. You'll need a clip, and all of these items will be listed below in the description box. Okay, now starting off on already stretched hair with the leave-in conditioner in it. And as you can see, the parts are pretty lazy because we're still inside. So I'm spraying water, kinda damp. The Be Curly, adding that on first because it's water based. And then after that, rubbing that in, I will add the smoothie and the souffle. Going back through with the detangling brush to make sure that every strand is detangled so that it can be very defined, adding water as needed. So as you can see, the middle part is straight because when I wear my braid out, that's how I style my hair. And so the rest of my hair doesn't matter. We're still inside. It's still through phase 1. So alright, so now you're going to have 3 strands. So I have 2 on one side, 1 on the other, and I'm going to start braiding now. And we're braiding, and we're also detangling to make sure that we are going to have a well-defined braid out at the end. I like to twist it at the end to make sure that my ends are secure, and then I just go ahead and trim a little piece, and that's how I trim my hair. That's it. And I do that for every braid, and that's how I personally trim my hair. Again, we have the 3 strands, and then we start to braid. Using the Be Curly water-based product before the smoothie cream product because my hair seems to take, water products or water better than cream products. I gotta need a ring light. Thank you. Thanks to my sister, I have a new ring light, so thank you. Ooh, y'all heard that? That was my neck. Hold on, I can crack my back. Wait. Oh, you heard that? All right, let me do the other side. Hold on. What y'all been up to? How are y'all doing? What's going on in your world? All right. I'm gonna sit like this. I like sitting like this. This is actually my go-to sit. Let me sit back. Let me scoot back for you guys. This is how I like to sit. This is like my most relaxed way to sit in chairs anywhere. Like that. It's like, ooh, I get to lean a little bit on the chair. I have my legs crossed. I can place this left hand on this leg and I'm chilling. So this is my go-to sitting stance. When I drive, or most of the time, I'm sitting like this. See?